I can actually imagine myself having this happen. Really neat. Hi guys, Meb here and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be showing you how to turn your hair into platinum white without ruining it. Even if you bleach it 9 times, just like I did. Now if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. Step 1. If you have colored hair, bleach wash it first. Link will be in the description. And if you have natural hair, you can go straight to bleaching. Same steps for bleach wash and bleaching. Section your hair into 4 or 3 in my case, since the lower head of my head is already shaved. And make sure that every inch is covered, especially if you're doing it by yourself at home. But if you can have someone else do it for you, that would be great, because they will be able to see it better. Or you can also get a mirror and see the back of your head, or just by feel, just like how I'm doing right here. And just do really thin sections on it, okay? Make sure that you got the root to the tip covered, especially for bleach wash. Now as for bleach wash though, what's gonna happen is that your grown out hair will not be affected, because it was the lighter and developer has already been toned down. Now for bleaching though, I'll be putting the link as well in the description, because you would have to bleach the lower half of your hair first and then leave off an inch or 2 from the roots, from your scalp, okay? And then bleach it later on, because you wouldn't want to get hot roots. Hot roots is wherein the roots, from the scalp, an inch or 2 from your scalp is lighter than the rest of your hair, because the heat from your scalp activates the bleach more. That's actually the reason why, that's exactly the reason why, if you're going to bleach your hair, start off from an inch or 2 from the scalp, from your roots, okay? And then down to the tip. And then do the same sectioning, 4 sections from your forehead down to the middle of your nape, and then from your apex down to your ear. I'll be showing this to you later on. And then go back and bleach that inch of 2 of your hair by sectioning again. That way you will be able to even out from root to tip, okay? And be generous on the bleach. Make sure that you really cake it in, that you really soak everything in, alright? Because if not, you will be having patches on your head. You know those patches that's like it wasn't bleached at all, so the color will not be as even. Take your time and patience with this, and if you're having a hard time with regards to the back of your head, and still hard for you to do it with the mirror, if you can get someone to do it for you but still supervise it so you can make sure everything's good, that would be better. Now this is the sectioning that I was saying earlier, from the forehead to the apex. All right, apex is the highest part of your head where the 4 sections meet. Now regarding the side sections, I'm starting off right here on the lower part, and it got really messy because the bleach that got stuck on your gloves will get on your hair, and then it'll make everything sticky. So just beware of that. And if it does tangle, just comb it out. Now, same thing, 10 sections. Make sure to cover every inch and do that until you get to the middle of your head. So we wouldn't be taking much time. I'm going to fast forward this because it's exactly the same thing up to the middle of your head. And same thing goes with the other side of your head, starting from your ear part, going to the middle.
Hi, so it's been 30 minutes. I'm just gonna be washing my hair, rinsing it, and then I'll be using this purple shampoo, purple toner, and then drying it out. And so what I'm gonna try to do is, instead of just using purple shampoo, what I did was mixed 1 part purple shampoo, purple toner, and 1 part developer, still 30%, because that's the only thing I have. Alright, so here it is. I've done the shampoo and developer mixture, 1:1. By the way, they call it purple shampoo in the Philippines instead of purple toner, but it actually works as a purple toner. So what I'm just gonna do is, this is a little wet. I actually sprayed it on, and then I'm just going to leave this on for like 5, 10, 15 minutes. I'll definitely let you know later on, because I'll be checking this out every 5, 10 minutes and see if the brassiness is gonna be gone. Turns out this one plus 1 part developer is actually enough, actually more than enough. Alright, so ended up leaving on the purple shampoo and developer mixture in my head for like 15 minutes, rinsed it off, and then I'm gonna do now a deep conditioning because it felt really dry. So there's the conditioner. I'm gonna leave it on for like 20-30 minutes or an hour, as long as I can. Rinse it off, then dry it out, then I'll be back. Alright, so this is after 15 minutes of soaking in the toner and developer mixture, and then 30 minutes of soaking in the conditioner. Definitely got pretty light. I'm just happy on how even it is all over. No patches. Definitely improving on how I'm doing this, and I love that. And let's see. Let's go check the back. So here's the back. So this is the color with the ring light on, and then without it, it's definitely lighter, like in real life.
Now we just have to repeat steps 1 to 3, which is bleaching, toning, and conditioning, until you get the whiteness of your hair that you want. However, there is a very important step that you'd have to do before bleaching it again and again. Okay? So you will be able to find out if your hair can still take another bleaching session, and to make sure that your hair will not die and fall off. And to know that, I'll be telling you that later on.
So here it is, without the ring light on. It's definitely lighter and whiter, like a level 9 bleach. And I'm just happy with how even it is. No patches, no hot roots. Here, I'm getting one strand of hair. One way I actually test that is I get one strand of hair. Don't know if you can see this. And then I take one strand and pull it. It's still at a level that it's healthy and it's not breaking off that easy. But I know for a fact as well that this strand of hair is definitely thinner than how it was previously. It got finer, but it wasn't damaged, and you can feel that as soon as you do this to your strand of hair and you feel that it's uneven, you know that it's really damaged. If you actually do that test and your hair strand looks normal, it doesn't easily break off, then that means your hair can handle another session of bleach. Just try not to do it all in one day. If you can wait for at least 24 hours and then deep condition it, or soak in conditioner on your head for hours so it could heal, well, that would be great. All right?
And of course, another bleaching session.
See how yellow that is compared to this white? This white compared to this yellow parts right here? I ain't happy with that, so good time. That's white. Alright, so after 6 times of bleaching it, applying purple shampoo, and then soaking in the conditioner for at least 30 minutes, it's already at a level 10. And apart from that, it's not ruined, which is the best part about it. It's just white and very light. Alright, so I ended up bleaching it 2 more times, so that's a total of 7 or 8. I'll check the video later on and see the total. And it's almost white. And every time I am going to bleach it, I do get one strip of hair, one strand, try to pull it and see if my hair can still take another bleaching session. And it's pretty even. The camera is not capturing how white it is though. There are angles that some looks whiter than the others. So I'm already good with this. So again, the steps are, first, if you have colored hair, bleach wash it first, just like I did, and then bleach it for 30 minutes. Do purple shampoo, leave it on for around 5-10 minutes if you can, and then leave on a hot oil or a keratin treatment, a hair treatment on for 30 minutes, and then repeat that. Just do the bleaching session, toning, and then conditioning once a day. Or if you can skip
1 or 2 days, that would be great. And don't wash your hair. Be sure to let the natural sebum of your hair work its magic to take care of your hair, for your hair not to be damaged. Mine is definitely, I mean, it definitely got drier than how it was before, I do admit that. But what I'm really happy about it is it's not dead. Considering that I bleach it for what, 7-8 times in a week, that ain't bad. And I didn't get any scarring or wounds on my scalp. Just be sure to take a lot of, time and patience with it. Because if you do it all in one day, just, letting your hair rest for a few hours, most probably your hair will die. So I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you enjoyed it or liked it. And if you did, do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mav. You now have a good one. I'll see you on our next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.